Hey guys, thank you for joining me for this last closing video of the Empowered Journey. I just want to take some moments to just connect with you and just tell you how proud I am. I know it hasn't been easy, and it's been a little bit like an ultra endurance event or like an athlete playing a big game. And you laid it all out, you know, you really did. I feel that, and I feel it because I went through it with you. Despite the imperfections, despite falling out of the poses, despite the days where you didn't want to get on your mat, the days where you didn't want to press play, you did that. And not everybody does that. Not everybody makes it to the summit of Mount Everest. Not everybody makes it to the end of an ultra endurance event, but you did. And I hope that you're proud of yourself because it's quite an achievement. Now the question becomes really, what's next? I've spent these last 30 days, I had this structure, I had this formula that I could follow. I didn't have to think about what class I was gonna do. It was all laid out for me. Probably for a lot of you, you're ready to continue the momentum, continuing to deepen your practice. So if you like the structure, of what we've been doing, I highly recommend that you check out some of my other programs on Interdimension TV. For example, PY 108 is a 108-day program that's great for intermediate students. Or there's Level Up 108, which is more for intermediate or advanced students if you want to do a longer program of 108 days. There's also Yoga Detox 30, which I created with my wife, Lauren, and that's really good if you want to break a negative addiction or negative habit. You really want to do some deep emotional work. That's 30 days. If you're looking for something more in alignment with Yin Yoga, you can check out Flexibility and Beyond. It's an 8-week Yin Yoga program. If you really want to get serious, at some point, a lot of us aspire to maybe teach yoga to share our passion. We have Interdimension Academy, so you can check out our online trainings. We have a 200-hour online. We're in the process of sharing our 300-hour online, so that's there for you as well. Or if you want to go back and repeat the Empowered series, you could go back and repeat it a couple more times, because repetition is what leads to mastery. So I want to encourage you to keep your practice going, whether it's with myself or another teacher, or whether you're doing it on your own. This is just the beginning. It's been an honor to share this journey with you, and I wish you many blessings along your yoga path. Namaste.